Are you thinking about retirement? Does it seem a long way off for you? I'm here to talk with you today about vacation investment real estate and how that can help you realize your retirement dreams. Hi there, my name is Cindy McMahon. I'm a real estate agent with Hunt Real Estate in North Greenbush, New York. So yes, upstate New York, and you see the palm trees in the background. I am down in the Florida Keys right now, and I wanted to talk with you all a little bit about some of the steps that you can take to realize whatever your retirement dreams are. And they may not be palm trees. You might want to be a snow bunny out in Denver, Colorado, and go skiing a lot or do a lot of hiking. But whatever your retirement dreams are, investment real estate can help you get there. Here's how. So there's a couple things that happen when you are, I would say, in your 40s to 50s to maybe early 60s. You start thinking about how are you going to spend your retirement. A couple things happen sometimes in your lifetime. Maybe you inherit a little bit of money from a parent or somebody who has passed away and left you a little inheritance. Possibly you inherit some of that real estate. I have a friend, a couple who inherited a piece of property. It actually was a mobile home, and it had been converted into a house, but it didn't have a lot of appreciation value because it is a mobile home. But they were able to rehab it and make it into something that could collect rent. Rents are very high in all areas of the country right now. So they are now renting this piece of property out for, $1,000, $1,100 a month. They own it free and clear. It wasn't going to be worth a whole lot if they sold the property, but they are able to earn an income off of that. And then who knows, maybe they're setting that money aside so that they can buy their retirement home. But it's a way for them to have that investment. Another thing that happens sometimes is you inherit a little bit of money. My husband was lucky enough to inherit a small amount of money from his parents, and he bought a house that needed a ton of work. It was a foreclosure. It was like $40,000. And over a couple of years, it took us too long, but we were able to rehab that house and then sell it at a good profit and then take that money and leverage it and put it into something else. Maybe you have an area that you love to vacation in, and you, instead of paying a rental fee to go and vacation in that area, you'd like to own a piece of property there. Well, that is also a great way for you to leverage your money. So you can actually take even some equity out of your home to make a down payment on a rental property. And then if you are able to cover the mortgage with the rental income on that property, then you are doing two things. That property is more than likely going to appreciate. Not always. I mean, for example, on the Florida Keys, there are hurricanes, there's high insurance. This would probably not be the best area for you to make a vacation investment that was going to appreciate, but you certainly could earn income off a property here. But I would say in some of the other areas of New England, Cape Cod, the shore of Massachusetts, Rhode Island, there's some areas that are coastal where there's not quite as much of a danger of hurricanes or flooding, and those areas do tend to appreciate because we're not building any more property near the coast. There's restrictions on that, so you're always going to be able to draw both an income and have some appreciation on those properties. So these are just some of the ways that you can try to earn some income as well as create some leverage in your life for your retirement dreams. And I'm happy to chat with you about any of these. I think one of the smartest things you can do as a young person, so if you're not even thinking about retiring, or if you have young people in your life, a lot of us are parents of these young 20-somethings. One of the best things that you can do to encourage them is to buy a multifamily. Somebody who buys a 2-family or a 3-family in an area where they can live for free, and then they earn the income to pay the mortgage from their tenants, as well as set some more money aside, and then they can hold on to that investment for their entire adult lives and earn income off of it. Our area in upstate New York is one of the areas where we don't see a ton of appreciation in the rental units, but we are able to draw income off of those properties. So that is my take. I'm going to leave you for a little fun in the sun. And if you have questions about real estate investing, I would love to chat with you about it. It is one of my favorite things to talk about. So I'm at 518-496-1299. You have yourself a great day. I'm going to leave you for a little sun and the fun right now. Fun in the sun, I guess I should say.